What's going on, everybody? We are back yet again. We are back yet again. And we are coming to you live the day before the end of the year. It is the 29th of December, 2022. I feel like garbage. I think I'm coming down with something. It's all my parents' fault because they came on vacation with me and got me sick. But the show must go on. I promised myself I would go live no matter how I felt. And so I'm sticking it through. I'm being a soldier, sticking it through for you guys. We're gonna make this one quick though because again I don't have a power cord hooked up to my laptop, so I don't want to be embarrassed and have my laptop actually die on me again. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. But before I do, shout outs to everybody that's here, everybody that comes and visits the stream, everybody that watches after the live streams and kind of gets their own, whatever out of what we do here. I really do appreciate it. Lots of words, guys. You know when you have that brain fog, you're kind of sick and just feel like what the hell am I talking about? But yeah, we appreciate you guys 100%. You guys are the most important people in the whole wide world. Don't let anybody ever make you feel different because you guys are the thing that matter the most. Whether you're in your everyday, normal, everyday life, like your muggle, non-crypto life, or you're here in the crypto space because without you guys, none of this shit works. So let's be real. Shout outs to all of you guys. You guys are the most important people in the whole wide world. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. I also want to give a channel sponsor shout out to eMoney. If you guys don't know about eMoney, you guys should because they do great work within the crypto landscape as a stablecoin protocol. They have a fully EU compliant protocol going on. They are independently audited. They have a basket of assets backing their stablecoin protocol. They, my friends, are supportive of this channel and have given us support for months now with no strings attached. And for that, we humbly are grateful and appreciative of their support. So again, guys, shout out to eMoney. Check them out down below. Use the link if you guys want to check them out. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. Right now, guys, the Dow Jones is up 1%. The Nasdaq actually is up 2.25%. So hey, it's doing well. If you guys watched the stream the other day, you guys would know that. Excuse me. See, I told you guys I'm dying. You guys would know that we kind of did a 50-50. I know it's kind of a cop out, but it was like kind of a toss up. It's 50, and it still is. To be honest with you, it still very much is a toss up. Um, but we are seeing things look a lot better today than they were yesterday. Dow Jones, like I said, is up over 1%. What's up, Mill? What's up, Matt? What's up? What's up? What's up? See, when I get sick, I actually say your name correctly instead of being dyslexic and saying Matt Mill. I said Mill. So weird. It's so weird. Hope your day is going well, man. But yeah, Dow Jones is up 1%. Still has a lot more time, guys. We just opened today. Today is Thursday. We have one more day of the year going tomorrow, guys, to finish things out. But right now, things are looking pretty good. We are still trending with market cipher B to the upside with these downwards anchors. I'm not going to go into too much of it because we covered it yesterday. And again, I'm trying to speed through this because I'm sick and my computer might die again. NASDAQ is up 2.2%. Look at how we came up, guys. Look, this is what we've been showing you guys, right? Long term, we came down. Anchor waves, market cipher B on the daily time frame. You can see that we touched. We got right now on the day another double green dot for the Nasdaq. Again, this is the daily time frame we're using market cipher. RSI is clearly still pointing downwards, and we are still in a negative money flow. If you guys can't see that, you guys can see it easily being represented here on the bar. Negative money flow being the red, positive money flow being the green. I'm sorry. Nope. I'm sorry. Yeah, red. The lighting in here is so bad, and I'm sick. So again, excuses. But yeah, we're still in a negative money flow. We need things to turn around, but we are making that slow and ever so steadily grind to the upside with the momentum wave. So that's a good thing for the Nasdaq. Let's go ahead and jump on into the Russell. The Russell is up 2% as well. Same thing, my friends. As you guys can see here, we are trending upwards. We have two touches now, double green dots, and we are in the positive money flow for the Russell 2000 ETF. So we're trending upwards ever so slightly, starting off the new year, it looks like, in a good fashion. That's good, guys. Let's go into the recession looking fairly okay, but there's some things that we still need to be watching out for. Again, RSI is still clearly pointing downwards. We're just smidgeting through the green positive money flow. We could at any time jump back into the negative money flow, which is the red. So we got to be careful with that, guys. Excuse me. I think, again, we're going to see a lot of volatility probably leading in to the new year when things reset for option traders, for everybody that's going to be taking positions. We'll see that kind of reset a little bit. So be ready for that. But, we'll see, guys. We'll see. SPX is up 1.54%. So that's another good thing, guys. Another thing that we're looking at, market cipher B, is the momentum waves, guys. We're not even going to be taking a look at market cipher A that houses the candlesticks. I don't think it's needed. Let's just look at the momentum waves and kind of sit back and relax, guys. That's all I got to say about that. Let's just sit back and relax. I still think that right now, if you haven't already made positions, when we saw downward price action in the past and you haven't already taken profits, still consider maybe possibly taking profits if it ever presents itself going forward. And then also, if you just feel like an itch like there and you have to fulfill it, guys, DCA, small feeler buys, because at any minute this could all turn around on us and we could go much lower. But yeah, right now we're not looking all too bad. Let's take a look at the DXY. DXY down 0.4, actually 0.38%. So again, guys, we're trending down here in the valley of the shadow of death, and it's looking good. We're in the negative money flow. If you take a look at here again, just really quickly go through this, guys. We are getting rejected off the 200 SMA. Again, this is the daily time frame using market set for looking at the DXY. You can see that we're trending back downwards here, and I'm hoping that we get down to this next white line right here, that 101 price point for the DXY. That would be really, really nice. That means on the weekly time frame we could go even further down and catch up to the 200 SMA on the weekly time frame. Still a little bit too early, guys. We got to watch, but we've been really trending in this support and resistance on the weekly time frame for the DXY for some time. No reason why this should ever actually break from this trend line. Although if it does break from this trend line, I'm willing to bet that it will be to the downside. We'll start making a trend for the DXY in the dollar strength on a downtrend. Let me zoom out and let me show you guys what I'm talking about here on the weekly time frame. You see how we have trends to the downside and then to the upside and into the downside and into the upside, right? Things don't necessarily repeat themselves, but they sure as hell do rhyme. And it's only a matter of time until we actually start a new trend. We've been in this trend since 2008. It's been a little over a decade. Yeah, yeah, a little over a decade. But yeah, so it's inevitable, guys. It's inevitable. So yeah, let's go move on into Bitcoin and then the Cosmos ecosystem, and let's call it a day, guys. Bitcoin is up 0.56% right now. No real reason to look at anything on market cipher B. To be honest with you guys, like I said, this is just a strong accumulation zone. I saw that MicroStrategy actually bought and accumulated more recently. It probably wasn't just yesterday, but recently. As you guys can see here, we found ourselves like the valley. We're down in the valley here. This is a valley, right? Mountaintop ranges, the valley, the shadow of death down here. We find ourselves down here really, really low with the RSIs. We're still in negative money flow for Bitcoin, but we are starting a small trend to the upside when it comes to our momentum waves. So let's take a look at this right here and let's project it out. Again, we're on the weekly time frame here. So let's take a look at this right here. Boom. We got one touch, two touches, and let's just project it out, which means we have room to come down here and retest this trend line on the weekly time frame. Let's see what that looks like on the daily time frame. We're going to have to make that look a little bit better. We're going to have to make that look a little bit better. Here we go. Daily time frame. This is a little bit too acute for me, to be very honest with you. But look at that, guys. Look at that. You guys see what I'm doing here? Moved it from the daily. Boom. Touch, 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 touch. And it looks like we might actually have another touch happening right now as we speak. Oh, nope. But we have a little bit of room to go further. Let me see here. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. There we go. It's just averages, right? It's not exact, but it's definitely averages. Bing, 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 bing. Let's be patient and wait and see what happens. Matt Mill, I really do appreciate you, or Millie Matt C went back to being dyslexic. Really do appreciate you being here. I'm going to scoot on in. I still think Bitcoin is just be patient time. What's up, Dennis? I think it's just be patient time, guys. RSI is still clearly pointing downwards. Momentum waves being triggered to the downside. We also see right here the negative money flow, that red flipping back from the green back into the red. That negative money flow still being pushed onto the Bitcoin price. With everything happening, the market structure, being the end of the year, I would just be patient. Just be patient. If you haven't, ladder in slowly with the DCA, conservative DCA strategy, not financial advice. You got to do you though. Let's move on. We're going to move into, we're not even going to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum's up 1.11%. It's back over $1,200 though. Atom trying to recapture its position again, kind of in that mid $9 range, trading at $9.32. It's up 2.16%. Again, guys, I'm just going to show you guys market cipher B on the daily time frame. We have this trend line to the upside. We have much more room for us to come back down if we choose to with the price point for Atom. I'm going to project this out and see what happens here. I don't think there's any real reason to take a look at market cipher A. If you guys want to see that real quickly, let me do that for you. Bada bing, bada boom. This is market cipher A. You guys know the section is on the charts when it comes to Atom. We bounced off this point of interest that I've been showing you guys for forever. None of these lines have moved over months and months and months, almost fucking a whole year, to be honest with you. But yeah, we bounced off this line right here, $8.61, and then we're on our way. Probably gonna get a lot of resistance here at $9.82, anywhere between 9.50 to 9.82. We're probably gonna get a lot of resistance trying to break into that double-digit price point for Atom. But it is what it is, right? Like I'm looking down here in between the golden pocket, these dotted lines. That's where I'm gonna get really more serious with my interests. Not necessarily my buying just yet, but my interests. I gotta watch how momentum's going. But that's what I'm looking out for, guys. You guys can see my dotted lines are right around 750 to about 615 and then 640, and then I also have another killer buy at 80 cents, guys. You guys don't think that's going to happen? It very may well do so. So I'm prepared for it. I have limit orders all over the place, guys, all over the place. What's up, Bushido Brown? Appreciate you. Hey guys, actually, hold on. Let's get into a couple other things. Secret down 1.42%. It's at 60 cents. You know, you guys know what I think about Secret, so let's just move on. Juno right now, a little bit up right now, a little bit. I'd like to see it get back up to that 120 price point. Really would, but it's getting beatered and battered. Right now, let's take a look at the Juno analytics. Let's make sure this is off just a little bit. Let's make sure this is current. Really quickly, guys. As you can see here, 36,000 being undelegated today, 387,000 being undelegated for the past 7 days, 1.3 mil in all being undelegated. We see here the percent staked actually slowly climbing back up into that 48.5% range. It was below that. It was in the low 48s. I want to see that climb up to 49. That would be a really, really good thing. And if it can make its way up to 50, that would be super, super cool. Again, guys, that's what I'm watching out for. I'm watching for these overall undelegations to be under a million. And then I want to see this climb, more people staking back up to that 49% rate. That's what I'm really watching out for. Can you go for a vacation again? Everything crashing. I know, right? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I told y'all, though, right? I told y'all. So Juno at 116. You know, yeah, let's just leave it at that, guys. That's what I'm looking out for. I don't think there's really anything to share on the charts right now. I do want to say to you guys, I've been working really, really hard on the Spirit of Juno. As you guys can see right here, I'm going to be making, it still has a lot more work to do. It still has a lot more work to do, but I've really, really been kind of like detailing out and trying to really iron out a lot of the concerns and feedback that people have given me, trying to take their thoughts and their feedback into consideration and trying to make this nicer. But I'm going to make a video, a real quick video, and host some spaces talking about this. Again, guys, this isn't perfect. This is just me working on the draft, but I'm trying to get there, guys. So I'm showing people how we can create a more community, grassroots, or like from the ground up, bootstrapped, bootstrapped tooling and marketing fund, along with increasing the overall community pool, while also, the more important thing as well, while also helping uh, a healthy validator lineup. So again, guys, this is something I've been really, really passionate about. Hopefully it gets met with some sort of acceptance. I'll be doing that soon. Be on the lookout for that, guys. Admittingly, I don't even want to really be on this, but I'm trying to present an idea for people to go forward. So I could be actually removed from this per the community vote. So it's I'm just working on it. Anyway, let's move on. Evmo's still getting beatered and battered. It's down 3.77%. It's at 29 cents. It's going sideways though, so that's a good thing. Again, same thing, guys. I'm just waiting to see what happens with the Evmos analytics, but more importantly, guys, I'm kind of waiting for more development to be happening for Evmos. Right now, I just don't see it. So if anybody knows what's happening with Evmos or why I should be bullish or maybe considering buying more, please tell me, because I don't see it right now. And it's probably because I haven't looked. Excuse me for burping. Osmosis at 70 cents. It's down just a little bit, 0.30%. It's going sideways within our interest zones right here on market cipher A. You know, these yellow lines are where I've been really, really interested. Short term, though, as you guys can see, we have a trend line up here that did get wicked through, but we have this trend line here on the daily time frame that I want to see if we reach back down to. Again, we're in the negative money flow on market cipher B for osmosis. So again, just sit back and be patient. Just sit back and be patient. We need to see things get announced. We need to see developments happening. There's a lot of drama all throughout the cosmos. It is what it is, guys. With that being said, that's what I got for today. I'm not going to really jump into the Osmosis platform and go over those tokens because, again, my computer's going to die and I feel sick. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm muscling through this right now. I have body aches. Yeah, I have body aches and everything else. So cross your fingers, put in, like, a good little word. Not that, whatever, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine. But, like, yeah, it's fucking brutal. I'm just like positive thinking, positive thinking, positive thinking. And no matter what, guys, we are committed. No matter what the stigma is, no matter what the narrative is out there, guys, we will go live whenever we possibly can, even when we're on vacation, even when we feel sick, even when fucking shit sucks. Like, we're going to be live. We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. So if you guys want to support a consistent streamer who's trying to do honest work, trying to be transparent with the community, going to be transparent with the community at all times, trying to be in the mud with you guys, consider following, consider subscribing, consider telling your mama, your auntie, your sister, your brother, everybody that you know to come check out the videos here on Twitch. Also, come check out and subscribe. Subscribe to the videos on YouTube. It's just IBC Gang. Like, we're trying to do our best, guys. It is what it is. 2023, guys. Positivity. We're going to be working on big, big things. I'm glad you guys are part of the IBC Gang. If you guys don't think that I'm not working on things, you guys are sleeping. And I really, kind of biased, but I would not bet against me because nobody's in my back pocket. Nobody's in my back pocket, and I'm already self-made. I don't need to do anything other than what I'm already doing. And so if you guys want to support somebody that has your and my best interest in mind, because again, we're brothers and sisters in this game. I'm in the mud with you guys. Ain't nobody in my back pocket. Consider supporting, guys. Consider sharing. Consider letting somebody know about IBC Gang and what we do here. I really do appreciate you guys. Thanks for playing Hurt. Yeah. It sucks. Like right now, I'm achy and warm all over. Fucking thank you guys. What's up, Bad Fat? Yeah, but unfortunately, my two little boys were at the beach. They don't care what daddy feels like, so I gotta muscle through this, guys. I'm gonna go lay in the sun, even though the water's too cold. I'm gonna go lay on the beach because it's supposed to be somewhat sunny today. So I'm just gonna soak up some vitamin D and hopefully die there. If I have to die in the sunshine, let it be on the beach, right, with my kids playing in the water, or building sandcastles or whatever the fuck it is. Anyway, guys. Anyway, hey, did you guys catch? What Maneki Neko or Maneki? I wouldn't say just Maneki Neko, but did you guys catch that? For all you Maneki holders, I can't say much more. But did y'all catch that? Did y'all catch that at all? Look at this. Did y'all catch this? I heard. I heard, by the way, that there's going to be more stuff being dropped and people are going to have to read between the lines. Look at this. Look at this Seiko Presage, guys. This is a nice freaking watch. What cat is just posting things and winking at people? What cat is just posting things and just winking at? That's an automatic. That is an automatic with heritage right there, guys. Oh my God. What is going on there? What is going on there, guys? Those Japanese watches are right on par with a lot of Swiss watches. I wouldn't say. I'm just saying. Crazy times, guys. I wouldn't sleep on that. I'm looking forward to, hopefully we can have the ability to stake our NFTs here soon. Maneki Cosmos, Maneki Neko. really looking forward to that. But it's just be patient, guys. It's just be patient. Again, wouldn't sleep on it. We're gonna get out of here though. I'd be keeping your eyes wide open, guys. I'd be keeping your eyes wide open. I appreciate you guys 100%. Thank you so much. I know this was a short stream, but it's kind of refreshing, right? Short stream, get straight to it. Bada bing, bada boom. Wipe our hands and we can be on our way. What's up, Chicken Tacos? Appreciate you, man. We're wrapping it up here. I might actually just use this as a video to download and repost later because, yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Have fun. Wait. By the way, don't, wait, hold on. I'm sorry. Don't forget, actually, we'll be joining somebody on a space at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's talking about DEXs, talking about all kinds of stuff. So if you guys don't know our girl, let me try to show you guys here. Where's she at? Is she not on it? Oh, excuse me. I'm dying over here. If you don't know our girl, we're going to be going live with her here at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, talking about DEXs, talking about things like that. So, yeah, be on the lookout for that, guys. I'm going to get out of here. Peace. Bye-bye. Later, alligator. Positive thinking. Nobody's sick. Sickness sucks.